Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can create a charming video title using stickers on CapCut. So first, just add your clips, and after you finish your edit, you can just go to tags and add the title that you want. Okay, you can change the font with your favorite one. I'm going to go to bubble and choose charming bubble template from CapCut. Let's try this one. Okay, I'm going to use this one, and I'm going to change the font first into these colors right here. Okay, I'm going to just go with this. Then after that, you can adjust the size and also the position, and you can also add some animations to it. Okay, I'm going to use this one. Then to use the stickers, you can just go back and go to stickers and find the stickers that you want. Okay, so I'm going to, let's say, add these stickers right here, adjust the position. Just click on the check icon when you're done, and make sure that the sticker is the same as the tags in terms of the positions in the track. And you can just place it in whichever wherever you want. Okay, so here is the result. If you want, you can also add animations to your stickers, but that's basically it. I hope this tutorial will be helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to click thanks, like this video, comment, and also subscribe. Bye bye.